Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder on Google Drive. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you're gonna find options like Home, Start, Shared and Files right below your screen. And on the top, there's a search bar and suggested an activity. Now go to bottom right corner, then right above Files, you're gonna find a small plus sign button. Tap on it, then a small menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. Just tap on Create Folder from there. Now you just have to create a name for the new folder and tap on Create. And there you go. Google Drive has now new folder that you just created. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a folder on Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.